Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm sharing some craft activities that we have lined up for this year. Jumping straight into it, I went ahead and bought these two sewing kits from this company. They have quite a huge range of products and choices in terms of projects they offer. I haven't used their kits before, so I only bought two, an owl and a toucan. These kits come with everything you need to create a cute little stuffed animal. So each kit includes the pre-cut fabric, stuffing, yarn, safety needle, and an instruction booklet or sheet. These look like really fun and easy projects to do and are definitely great for developing those fine motor skills as well. So moving on, I also bought a few felt kits for my kids and myself. I like to do the projects along with my kids so I can model for them how they're meant to be done, and also because, well, they're lots of fun. Now, I'm a huge fan of this company. They have an amazing range of projects and kits. So when I saw this bee in a hoop kit, I immediately wanted to try it out and thought it would also be perfect for the flower and bee unit we are planning on doing later this year. Again, all the kits from the Crafty Kit Co. come with everything you need. So they have all the necessary felting wool, felt fabric, as well as the embroidery hoop, felting needles, sponge, needle and thread, and of course a full color instruction booklet. And then the last few handwork projects I'm lining up at this stage are these baby bunny needle felting kits and these blue tit bird kits. And again, as you can see, everything is included. And yep, that's it. We're really looking forward to digging into them. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful and thanks a bunch for watching.